Hello and welcome to Workshop Safety Rules in Design Technology, or Being Sensible with Mr. Sensical. When in a workshop, you must follow certain rules for your safety and that of others. Firstly, treat others with respect. It's quite straightforward. If you upset somebody, they're more likely to have an accident. Do not run. You shouldn't run in any classroom, but particularly in the workshop. There are lots of obstacles. The main one is that each bench has a vice sticking out the side, and this is a serious danger if you are running. Others are that people will be using tools, and obviously that could cause an accident if you run into them. Put your hand up if you need help. This is because we want to reduce the number of people walking around the workshop. If you need help, stay where you are, put your hand up, and the teacher will come. Always wear a dust coat when doing practical work. This is for two reasons. It keeps your clothes clean and tidy, but also tucks away any parts like your tie which might get tangled up in any work that you're doing. Tie back long hair when using a machine. Same idea as the dust coat, keeps things out of place. Not sure you should have long hair in school that's long enough to get into a machine anyway, but just in case. Don't use tools unless shown how to. This is a really important rule. We will show you how we want you to use the tools and how to use them safely. Even if you've used them at home or somewhere else, we want to show you how we expect you to use them. Ask permission before using a machine. This is the same rule as before, really. You can't use a machine unless you've been shown how, and even then you should ask permission before you use it. Do not distract other people while they're using a machine. Pretty obvious, really. If they're using a machine and you distract them, this could easily cause an injury. Always wear goggles when using machinery. You can use goggles as well when you're using the hand tools, but very, very important and compulsory when using a machine. If you choose not to, and beware of this next slide, it could cause your eyes serious injury. So remember, if you always treat other people and the workshop with respect, we should have no problems at all.